Hey guys, Dave Rowe from Austin, Texas. Been flying since 2014, learned in Cessnas just like everybody else, and then transitioned pretty quickly into Cirrus. So I've got close to 450 or 500 hours in Cirrus. Recently took up something new, flying tail draggers. So now I'm flying a Just Highlander. Just got my tail wheel endorsement about almost 2 months ago now. And you know, I've been watching Mike Patey and Trent Palmer and all those guys who fly out west, and you know, just admire the scenery and all the cool things that they do, and thinking that I had to go out there to do the same thing. It turns out right here in Central Texas, in my own backyard, you know, we've got some hills and valleys and canyons you can fly through, and some really beautiful lakes. You know, one of which I'm flying over right now, and you know, rivers and things like that. And you know, there's just really some beautiful area out here to fly and take advantage of. And so that's what I'm doing, and I want to kind of bring some of that to you. A good example of some cool spots in Central Texas to fly around and fly over and land in are the rivers. Tons of rivers that, you know, for obvious reasons in Texas, don't have a ton of water in them, so there are some huge sandbars. I'm about to fly over one of them. I'm out near Kingsland, flying low, so you always got to be looking for power lines. But I've been in this area several times now, and you know, we're safe here. There's some low power lines back there, and then way upriver, some high ones. And just on the other side of this sandbar are some low power lines, so you just got to be mindful of all that when you're flying through here. But just a really cool spot. We'll just do a low approach here, because I am actually flying with the wind at the moment. I've landed here one time with one of my instructors. Beautiful little sandbar. Of course, on takeoff at the end, there's some power lines up here, but we don't have to get anywhere near those. Actually got some cows out in the river too. Trying to get some water.